Hey Whiskers, Kimani here. Today I'm the voice behind hauling this together. And yes, I know it's been a while, 4 months to be exact, but my day here. So if you guys want to see how I made these beautiful fondant shoes for a baby shower cake, then keep on watching. Let's do this. Alright guys, so the great thing about this tutorial is that you need no special tools or anything like that. You need no special molds or cutters. We are just using this template that you can see right here. It will be down below in the description box so you can download it and print it if you want. I didn't print mine, I just traced it off my laptop and cut it out. So you can do that too if you don't have a printer. So the first step is to just cut out all your shapes. Well, at least the ones that are supposed to be blue, but they will be numbered so you'll know, or you can just follow the tutorial, which is why you're here, my darlings. And yeah, so I cut the sole of the shoes. That's our the bottom name, right? Yeah, and the part that is going to go to the front where the tongue of the shoes be. Yes, and that weird shaped thing with the V in the middle, that's going to go to the back. Those parts are going to be all blue and everything else will be white. So I'm just cutting everything to my template. This strip of fondant, now I'm adding some texture and I'm cutting it down because it kind of did spread, and that's just going to the side. It's going to be at the base of my shoes. Now I'm just assembling using some water, or you can use edible glue, and this part is kind of optional, but I added some stitch pattern technique thingy to my fondant shapes using a stitch tool, which is that pink and white thing that you see at the side. Now that you're here and you're enjoying the video so much, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my socials. Yes, all the links will be down below in the description box. Now I'm just putting that aside a little bit, and I'm adding some, well, rolled napkin to the inside so that I tongue the part there, the shoes name, not true, the part will flap right there, so yes, at the front. So I'm just adding my napkin so that it doesn't fall down and it can start setting in that position that I want it to be in, because I want the shoes to look like it have shape, you know what I'm with it. Yes, so for the front part where the toe part goes, yeah, that semicircular piece will go there. So I just added some more stitch technique at the top. The bottom not gonna show, so just at the top, and I added some water to my blue, and then we just glue it on. Now this part will be the back of the shoe. I know it kind of look weird. You probably say, "Okay, money, how this like a bit of back?" But trust me, it will make sense in a second. So I'm just adding some stitch. From the outline, you will actually see where you're supposed to be stitching. So just in case you wonder what the hell me I do, like you'll actually see it from the template. So I'm using the two different sides of the stitching tool. One is more like lines, like broken lines, and then the other one is dotted. So I did the broken lines on the outside and then the dotted ones on the inside, so it kind of seemed like, it's uniformed. Then I'm just using the back of my paintbrush to create some holes for my laces, and then I'm rolling some white fondant into like a little ball thing, and I'm putting it in the hole, and this is what I'm going to do. I was pretty proud of this technique. Like, look at what I did. Like, look at that. Yeah. So so with this technique, like using the brush to go in, like instead of like rolling a tube and going around the hole, like it's just neater. Like it seems like, it was made by a factory or something, but it's a golden factory. So I'm just adding some more water. See, it makes sense now. When I wonder what the shape be, so the shape there, it makes sense. Now keep in mind that baby shoes, they're the cutest thing ever, yes, but they don't really have that much structure because they're so small and they're usually made from fabric. So don't be too hard on yourself to be like all perfect and whatever. So you remember that piece of fondant, that strip of fondant that we were adding the line techniques to, like the texture? Yeah, that's what I just added around the base of the shoes. the shoe. You don't necessarily need to add like the line texture thing to it, but I don't know, I think it works better. And now I'm just adding that little flap thing at the back that you put your finger through when the shoes now go up on your foot, you know me attack. Instead of using like the shoes, what's that thing called? Oh my lord, the word is right there. Either way, a shoehorn. Yeah. So instead of using a shoehorn, you just put your finger between the little part there, shoes, and pull it up. Yeah, that's what that was. So now the lace was probably the most frustrating part because they're so thin and I didn't want it to break and I wanted it to look like lace, but I didn't want it to look too lacy because it's like baby shoe, as I said before. So I just kind of did almost like a crisscross pattern, but it wasn't like very crisscrossy. So I did some of the lace from the outside, some from the inside, so it actually seemed like, it was laced up. And I just added some water to make everything stick, and I'm making a little cute bow to go at the front because oh my lord, baby stuff are just so cute. So why not? Right? Like even if you're not make a baby shower, okay, just make this. Like just make this so you can sit down and look and be like, ooh, cute baby stuff. Either way, so just making my bow. So I'm showing you how to make a bow, which I mean, yeah, you not have it tight, but it looks tight. And I'm just adding some water, and then I'm going to stick it on to the middle of where my laces are. Once again, as you can see from the side of the screen, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You can see me look a logo on the side of the screen. Like, just click it. Like, if you're not subscribed yet, just click it. Like, it's very easy. You don't even have to come out of the video. Just click that thing, and it will ask you if you're subscribed, and you can do it from there. Yeah, easy things. We're making things convenient over here. So that's it for the show. So this is what it looks like. Let me get up close and personal. Come here, come here, come here. Yeah. Just do a tutorial for me, please. Oh my lord. I was so proud of this. Um so yes, you can just set this aside for it to dry and firm up and all these things, keep its shape, and then you can remove the napkin from inside. I just threw mine in the dehydrator for like 16 minutes and that was it. And now of course I'm repeating the process with the pink. I'm speeding through it because I don't know if you want to watch the same thing twice, but just in case you want to reiterate everything I said before, this is like a crash course. So let's get it going. Adding my lace thingy, which is the part I'm most proud of. As I said before, it just looks so cute. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah. So that's what I was saying before, like that line thingy that I did with the back of the what's that called? Cake scraper. You don't necessarily need to do that, but I just think adding texture makes it look like you added a lot of effort, even though it's not that hard to make. This is my final product. I hope you guys try this out. If you do, then tag me on all socials, send me a message and say, "K Money, I love that video day." Let me know what's going on down below in the comment section. Did you miss golden whisk? Did you miss hauling this together? Hope you guys like this video. Let me know what's going on with y'all. Check out my other 2 videos that are here from like 4 months ago. See you guys next time. Stay golden.